So far, we have discussed the whole differentiation process. So for a given function, how we can going to differentiate. Today, let us see what are the applications of differentiations. So this comes in third unit, applications of differentiation. In engineering and technology, the differentiation finds very important role. If you consider in mechanical engineering or in civil engineering, the design part will be there. In design part, small designs will be calculated based on the differentiation as well as an integration. Here, the main applications of differentiations are: number one, we can get the slope of a curve at a given point. We can get tangent and normal to the curve at a given point. The second application, you can find out the maxima and minima of a given continuous function. The third application we are going to discuss is the rate measure. We have other applications of differentiation, but our scope is to discuss only these three: getting tangent and normal to the curve at a given point, maxima and minima of a given function, and rate measure. If I take first one, how we can relate this differentiation to the geometry. So tangent, normal, it comes in geometry, correct? There is a link between differentiation as well as geometry. To get any straight line, tangent is what? Tangent is a line. Tangent is a straight line. We need to understand the slope. This was discussed in straight line, first unit, right? We have a different forms of straight line. If you know the slope of line and intercept C, we can write y is equal to mx plus c. If you have the slope and passing point x1 y1, we have y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If there are two passing points, with that we are going to find out equation y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. We have other equations also, right? We have discussed these three types of equations, these forms of equations in the first unit. What is m? M is slope. C is intercept. Okay, so there is a link, connection to get slope of a given curve using differentiation. Here we are going to find the slope using what? Using inclination theta, using equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, that is minus a by b, correct? If I know passing point, I can get the slope by using this y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if you go through my first class, so all these things will be given in that class. Okay, so m is what? Slope. Slope is very necessary to have the equation of a straight line. Here tangent is what? Tangent is a line which is passing through a point. That point is taken on the curve. I will show in a diagram. First, let us understand what is required here. How we can going to connect the geometry and the differentiation. Okay, to get straight line or to get the slope or tangent of a line, we must know the slope. So slope is nothing but tangent of an inclination. Correct? Here the geometrical meaning of the meaning of dy by dx is slope of tangent to the curve at a given point that is the geometrical meaning of dy by dx. Say dy by dx is what? Differentiation. Slope is what? It is a geometry. So these are having relation, right? Slope of a line can be obtained using what? Differentiation of a given function, right? Now I will tell you what is tangent, what is normal, how they will be taken for a given function, right? Let y is equal to f of x is what? Is a function. If I take different values of x, I will get different values of y, correct? By using those set of values of x and y, if I draw a graph, you will get some type of curve. Assume that this is the curve obtained for y is equal to f of x. How we drawn this? We have considered some equation, some function y is equal to f of x. For different values of x, there must be a corresponding values of y, right? Using the x values, corresponding values of y, if you draw the graph, definitely you will get this type of curve or some type of curve will be obtained. Suppose if it is linear, we will get a straight line. If it is negative linear, we will get like this. Suppose for different values, different sets of x values, we will get this type of curve. Assume that this is the curve which is obtained for what? Y is equal to f of x. So along x-axis we have taken x values, along y-axis we have taken y values. Right? Choose a point on the curve. The point may be here or here or here or here. We can have infinite number of points on a curve. For instance, I am taking this is the point on the curve. For this point, if I draw a line which should pass through this point, this is the tangent. What is tangent? Tangent is a straight line which is passing through a point. Point should be what? It should be on the curve only. Suppose if I draw here, this won't become tangent to the curve. This is not a tangent to the curve. This is a line outside the curve. Okay. What is tangent? Tangent is a line which should pass through the point. The point is on the curve. This is called as tangent. I can draw n number of tangents. Suppose if I take point here, I can draw tangent here. If I take point here, I can draw tangent here. If I take point here, I can draw tangent here. We can have n number of tangents. So it depends on what? It depends on a point on the curve, right? This is said to be tangent. Got it? Tangent is a line. Tangent is a line which is passing through a point on the curve. Any line which is perpendicular to this tangent is called as normal. What is normal? Normal is a line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Normal means 90%, 90 degree perpendicular. So this is tangent and this is normal. Using differentiation for a given curve, at a given point, you can get the tangent and normal, or you can get slope of tangent, or you can get slope of normal. Got it? So this is tangent and normal. Just remember these points. Number one, tangent is a line which is passing through a point on the curve. That is called tangent. What is normal? Any line which is perpendicular to the tangent. Any line which is perpendicular to the tangent will be called as what? Will be called as normal. Right? To have equation of tangent means equation of straight line. We must have a slope. Slope to this point. The slope is obtained by what? By differentiating the given curve, differentiating given the function at a given point. So slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx at a given point x1 y1. I will take it as m. What is slope of tangent? It is dy by dx at a given point. Right? Slope of normal is minus 1 divided by slope of tangent. As we learned in the first unit, for the perpendicular lines, product of slopes of perpendicular lines is what? Minus 1. If I know the slope of first line, I can get the slope of second line. How? By m2 is equal to what? Minus 1 by m1. Here I know the slope of tangent. With that, I can write minus 1 by slope of that line become slope to the perpendicular line. Okay. We got slope of tangent, we got slope of normal. Then we can write the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the curve at a given point is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? What is m? M is dy by dx at a given point. Right? Next, equation of normal. Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So these 4 points are very important. How to get slope of tangent? Just differentiate the given function and put the point in that derivative. You will get equation of or a slope of tangent. How we will get the slope of tangent? Just differentiate the given function and substitute the point. That gives you slope of normal. Minus 1 divided by slope of tangent means what? It is slope of normal. We can get the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Just now we have written for equation of straight line. The same we are going to use it, but m how to get is using differentiation. M is what? Dy by dx at a given point x1 y1. Equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Okay. So I am going to recall about slope. The slope of line having inclination theta is y is equal to or m is equal to tan theta. If I know that theta, inclination of line with x-axis, inclination of line theta with what? With positive x-axis is y is equal to, sorry, m is equal to tan theta. Right? Second one, slope of line of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b. Minus a by b. We have to remember all these points. Slope of tangent parallel to x-axis. Slope of tangent parallel to x-axis is always 0. Slope of slope of tangent perpendicular to x-axis, perpendicular to x-axis is infinity. Why slope of tangent parallel to x-axis is 0? Because when any line is not crossing x-axis, what is inclination? Inclination is 0, theta. If theta is 0, what is slope? Slope is equal to what? Tan 0. Tan 0 is what? 0. How it become infinity? See, this is a line. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is a line which is not at all meeting x-axis. Means what? Theta is 0. When m is equal to tan 0, what slope? Slope is equal to 0. For this, suppose a line is perpendicular to x-axis. Then what is theta? Theta is equal to 90. Therefore, slope is equal to what? Tan 90. Tan 90 is what? Infinity. If any two lines are parallel, their slope is always same. When two lines are same, for parallel lines, for parallel lines, slopes are same. Slopes are same. For perpendicular line, the product of slopes of two perpendicular line is always -1. These points are very important in doing problems. Okay, slope of any line which is making an inclination theta with x-axis, positive x-axis. Slope is obtained by what? M is equal to tan theta. Suppose a line is in this form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of line, whose slope can be found using what? Minus a by b. Slope of tangent parallel to x-axis. If any line is parallel to x-axis, whose slope is always 0. If any line is perpendicular x-axis, whose slope is equal to infinity. If two lines are parallel or more number of lines are parallel, their slopes are same. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of slopes of those two perpendicular lines is always -1. Please remember all these points. So these four equations are very important. So based on this, let us work out few problems. Find the slope of tangent to the following functions, or we can call it as curves at given points. Number 1, y is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2 at 1, 5. Here, which is curve? X square minus 3x plus 2 is curve. At thus that on the curve, what is the point? The point is 1, 5. The slope of tangent which should pass through this point on this curve. Okay. What to do? First take the differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is what? 2x minus differentiation of 3x is 3 into 1 plus for constant 0. It is what? 2x minus 3. Slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal. If the word is there, directly you differentiate the given function. Okay, after that we obtain dy by dx. Next, what is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is equal to what? Is equal to m is equal to what? Dy by dx at point, at given point. What is given point? 1, 5. The point is always given in a pair. First one is always x, second one is always y. Means this is x, this is y. What is it? What is dy by dx? It is 2x minus 3. 2 into. What is x? X is equal to 1 minus 3. That is equal to 2 minus 3 is what? Minus 1. This is slope of tangent. Second one, x square plus y square is equal to a square at 2 comma minus 3. What is second problem? Get the slope of tangent to the curve x square plus y square is equal to a square at the point 2 comma minus 3. For any curve, you first get the dy by dx. On differentiating, differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. For a square, it is 0, constant, right? 2y into dy by dx is equal to, transfer it, 2x. Or dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 2x divided by 2y. 2 to cancel, it is minus x divided by y. We got dy by dx, right? Then get the slope. What is slope? Slope of tangent is what? M is equal to dy by dx at a given point x comma y. Here, which is x? X is equal to 2. Which is y? Y is equal to minus 3. So x is 2, y is minus 3. That is equal to, what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is what? Minus x, x is 2. Y, what is y? Y is minus 3. It is 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3, right? Third one, 2 sin x plus 3 cos x, 0 comma 5 by 2. What is curve? Which is curve here? 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is the curve. Okay. Take this is y, differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into differentiation of sin x is cos x plus 3 into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. That is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. This is what? This is dy by dx. What is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is equal to, slope of tangent is equal to what? Dy by dx at a given point. What is given point? 0 comma 5 by 2. This is x, this is y. We should always take first point is x, second point is y. What is dy by dx? 2 into cos of x. What is x? 0. Minus 3 into sin of, what is x? X is 0. For all x, we should take it as 0. Okay. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. What is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. Then what is slope? Slope is 2. Slope of tangent is 2. Right? Like that, for any given curve, you can get the slope of tangent. Right? What to do to get the slope of tangent? First, you differentiate the given function with respect to their respective variable. After that, substitute the given point. Okay. The same way we can find out slope of normal to the curve. Slope of normal to the curve. If there is slope of normal, the same thing we have to first find out. What? Slope of tangent, you first get it. Then with that we can going to find the slope of normal. Okay. I'm taking different examples here. Sometimes they will ask you, get the slope of tangent and normal. In that case, we need to find out for both slope of tangent and normal. Y is equal to 6x into x plus 3 at 2 comma minus 3. slope of tangent or slope of normal or equation of tangent or equation of normal, you first take the function and differentiate it. On differentiating, dy by dx is equal to, you can multiply 6x into x is what? 6x square plus 6 into 3, 18x. Correct? This is a function simplified. Now, after differentiating, what you will get? 6 into 2, 12x plus 18 into, for differentiation of x is what? 1. It is 12x plus 18. After the differentiation, first we need to calculate slope of tangent. Using that slope of tangent, we can get the slope of normal. Therefore, slope of tangent is what? M is equal to dy by dx at the point. What is point? 2 comma minus 3 is equal to 2 is x, minus 3 is y. We need only x, we don't need y, but they will give you both x and y. 12 into 2 plus 18. 12 into 2 is what? 24 plus 18 is equal to 30, 42. 42 is slope of tangent, but we have to find out slope of normal. Therefore, slope of normal is what? It is minus 1 divided by m. What is m? M is slope of tangent, right? This is equal to minus 1 divided by 42 will be the slope of normal, right? Y is equal to sine 2x at 0 comma 5 by 2, or you can take 3 into sine 2x. First differentiate it. Dy by dx is equal to what? 3 into, it is what? Sine function. Sine of x. Sine x differentiation is cos x. It is not in that form. It is of what? Sine function. What is function? 2x. For sine function, differentiation is what? Cos function into dy dx of function. Into dy dx of function. That is equal to 3 into cos 2x, differentiation of 2. Now 2 into 3 is what? 6 into cos 2x. Then first get slope of tangent. With that we can find the slope of normal. So m is equal to dy by dx at a point. What is that point? 0 comma 5 by 2. 6 into cos of 0. Correct? 2 into 0 is 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Therefore, slope of normal will be what? Minus 1 by slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. That is what? Minus 1 divided by slope of tangent is 6. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 divided by 6. So this is the way in which we can calculate slope of tangent, slope of normal. Sometime they may ask you the slope of tangent and slope of normal. Okay, let us take one problem. Find the slope of tangent and normal to the curve. Y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 5 at 1 comma minus 3. Okay, so you need to differentiate the given function. Differentiate it. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into 2, 6x minus 2 into 1 plus 4, 5, it is 0. 6x minus 2 is dy by dx, right? Therefore, slope of normal. First take the slope of tangent. Take slope of tangent. What is slope of tangent? It is m. M is equal to what? Dy by dx at a given point 1 comma minus 3. What is 1? X. What is 3? It is y. Minus 3 is y. That is equal to 6 into x. What is x? 1. Minus 2 is what? It is 4. We got slope of tangent 4. Using that, we can get the slope of normal. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by slope of tangent. That is equal to minus 1 divided by 4. So this is the way in which we are going to find out slope of tangent and slope of normal. This is important. For 2 marks, 3 marks, they will ask you getting slope of tangent or slope of normal. Now, let us see the procedure of getting equation of tangent and equation of normal. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to 6x square plus 3 at minus 2 comma 3. At minus 2 comma 3. So this is a repetition of straight line. Only extra is what? We have to get the slope in different way. By using differentiation, we are going to find the slope. After that, the procedure is same. See, to get equation of tangent, we need crossing point, it is given, and also we need slope that we have to find out. Right? How to get the slope of tangent? By differentiating the given function and substituting the point. Okay. First, differentiate the given function. For 6x square, it is 12x. 6 into 2, 12x. Plus differentiation of 3 is what? 0. It is 12x. Therefore, get the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is equal to what? M. M is equal to what? Dy by dx at a given point. Minus 2 comma 3. This is x. X, this is y. 12 into minus 2. How much? It is minus 24. 12 into minus 2 is what? Minus 24. Using this, we can get the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is m? M is slope of the tangent. M is slope of tangent that we have obtained here. What is it? It is minus 24. Substitute y minus y1. What is y1? The same point what we have used to get the slope, that will be considered as x1 y1, which is passing point, right? Passing point is taken as x1 y1. While finding the slope, same point is considered as x and y. Don't get confused here. The same point will be used in the first part. In getting slope of tangent, we will use as xy. The same point is used as x1 y1. x1 y1 while getting the equation of tangent and normal. Okay. Y minus y1. What is y1? It is 3 is equal to m. What is m? Minus 24 into x minus x1. x1 is what? Minus 2. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 24 into x. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. 24 into 2. 48. Now write in the standard form of line. Take the negative x term to left side. Suppose if it is having positive, you take these to the right side. If minus 24 is transferred to the left side, it become what? Plus 24x. Then write y term. What is y? Plus y. Minus 3. If it is transferred to this side, it become what? Minus 48 is equal to, say, is equal to 0. So equation become 24x plus y plus 45 is equal to 0. This is called equation of tangent for a given curve. The same way we can get the slope equation of normal to any curve. Find the equation of normal to the curve y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 2 at 2 comma minus 1 at 2 comma minus 1. For equation of normal or equation of tangent, you need dy by dx, first get it, dy by dx, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 7x is 7 into 1 plus 2, 0, it is 2x minus 7. Therefore, slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent is equal to m is equal to what? M is equal to dy by dx at a given point. What is that point? 2 comma minus 1 is 2 into 2 minus 7 is equal to minus 3, right? Therefore, using this, get the equation of normal. Equation of normal. So equation of normal is what? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. What is m? M is slope of tangent into x minus x1, right? Y minus y1. What is y1? Same, 2 comma minus 1 become x1 y1. Here it is taken as xy. Don't get confused. Same point will be used. Here, while getting slope, it is taken as xy. While getting equation, it is taken as x1 y1. Y1, what is y1? Minus 1. Therefore, put minus of minus. Minus 1 divided by, what is m? Minus 3 into x minus x1. x1 is what? 2. Minus minus cancel. The denominator, when it is cross multiplied, it goes to numerator of other side. Correct? Y minus of minus plus 1. 1 into x minus 2. 3y plus 3 into 1, 3 is equal to 1 of x into minus 1 into 2 is 2. Now, x is positive at right side, then take all y terms and constant to the right side only. X minus 2, I am writing right hand side term first, then take the left hand side term. Minus 3y, minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is equation of normal. Got it? For any given curve, at given point, you can get equation of tangent or equation of normal. You have to follow the same procedure. Okay. Sometimes the problem will be given in other way. Find the equation. Find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Find the equation of tangent to the curve which means tangent is having slope 3. Having the slope 3. See, they have given slope m. Okay, but they have not given the passing point x1 y1. From the slope we have to get the passing point. How? First, take the curve x square minus 2x plus 3. You get the differentiation. dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2 into 1 plus 0. That is 2x minus 2. Okay. What is slope of tangent? See, slope of tangent is equal to, it is given as 3. What it means? Slope of tangent is also taken as dy by dx, correct? Slope of tangent is equal to what? Dy by dx, correct? Dy by dx. They have given slope of tangent. See, having the slope is 3. Take the slope of tangent is 3 is equal to dy by dx. We got dy by dx, which is how much? 2x minus 2. So 2x minus 2, from this you will get the x value, correct? Transfer this minus 2 to this side. 3 plus 2 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to what? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 divided by 2 is x. Take this x value and substitute in the given function. Y, definitely you will get y. So that y and this x become the passing point, right? Put x is equal to 5 by 2 in y. Y is equal to what? X square minus 2x plus 3. That is equal to, x means 5 by 2 square. Minus 2 into x means 5 by 2 plus 3. 5 square 25. 2 square 4 minus 2 to cancel. Remaining is what? 5 minus 5 plus 3 is what? Minus 2. Take the LCM. What is LCM? 4. 25 minus 4 into 2 is 8, which is equal to 17 by 4. Therefore, we got the passing point. What is passing point? Or the point on the curve at which the tangent is having slope 3. Therefore, tangent is passing through what? Passing through x comma y. 5 by 2 comma 17 divided by 4. This will be the x1 y1. Therefore, equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is given. What is m? M is slope. Slope is equal to 3. It is given in the question itself. Y minus, what is y1? Y1 is equal to 17 by 4 is equal to m. M is equal to what? 3 into x minus x1. X1 is what? 5 divided by. You take LCM. What is LCM? 4. That is 4 y minus 17 is equal to 3 into. Here also you take LCM. What is LCM? 2. 2x minus 5. Now cross multiply it. Cross multiply here. 2 into 4y minus 17 is equal to 4 into 3, 12 into 2x minus 5. 4 into 2, 8y minus 34 is equal to 12 into 2, 24x minus 12 into 5, 60. Or 24x minus 8y minus 60 plus 34. Minus 34 is, when it is transferred to the other side, it becomes plus. Plus 8 become minus 8, which is equal to what? 24x minus 8y is equal to, minus 60 plus 34. It is equal to minus 26 is equal to 0. Right? 24x minus 8y minus 26. Otherwise, you can divide with 2 also because all are even numbers. 12x minus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. So this is equation of tangent. That is equation of tangent having slope m to the curve what y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Right? Sometimes the question will be in reverse order. They will give you the condition, curve, and the condition with which we need to find out the point. So how we find out? The same way we have to find the point. The question will be like this: find the point. Find the point on the curve y is equal to 3x 4x minus x square at which the tangent is parallel to x axis. See this question. Find the point on the curve. What is curve? Y is equal to 4x minus 2x square, at which the tangent is what? Parallel to x square. Suppose if I draw the diagram, this is x-axis, y-axis. This is curve. What is tangent? Tangent should be parallel to what? X-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Right? This is tangent. This is the point. First, you have to get the point x comma y. First, you do differentiation. For a given y, differentiate it. 4 minus 4 into 1 minus for x square, it is 2x. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Okay. Take the condition. What is the condition? After differentiation, you take the condition. Condition. What is condition? Tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means what? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent when it is parallel to x-axis is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Right? So, what is slope of tangent? It is dy by dx. Dy by dx. Correct? Dy by dx is equal to 0. Or dy by dx is what? 4 minus 2x is equal to 0. Or 4 is equal to what? 2x. Therefore, x is equal to what? 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 only. 4 divided by 2. We got x value. Put x is equal to 2 in y. Therefore, what is y? Y is equal to 4x minus x square, or y is equal to 4 into x is what? X is equal to 2 minus x square, 2 square, 4 into 2, 8, minus 2 square is what? 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Therefore, point on the curve is x comma y. What is x? X is 2. X is 2. Comma y. What is y? It is 4. Like that, if they give the condition, with that condition, we can find out the passing point through which the tangent is passing on the curve. Find the point on the curve Find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, or you can take 7x plus 3, at at which at which the tangent is parallel to the line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. See, we need to get the point on the curve, at which the tangent is parallel to the line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. First you get the dy by dx. Dy by dx is what? 2x minus 7 into 1 plus 3, 0. That is 2x minus 7. Dy by dx is what? 2x minus 7. Okay. Now, what is the condition they have given? Condition is what? Tangent is parallel to the line. The line and tangent are parallel. Therefore, they are having same slope. I know this. I can calculate the slope of line. See, slope of line is equal to minus a by b. Slope of line, which is line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. It is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is a? 1. What is b? 1. So what is answer? Minus 1. Tangent and line are parallel. Tangent and line are parallel. Therefore the slopes of line and tangent are same. That is slope of tangent is equal to slope of line. What is slope of tangent? It is dy by dx. Correct? Dy by dx is equal to, what is slope of line? Slope of line is minus 1. Or what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is what? 2x minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Or 2x is equal to minus 1 plus 7 is equal to 6. Right? Or x is equal to what? 6 by 2 is equal to 3. If I substitute x is equal to 3 in given y, you will get another ordinate, that is y. Right? Put x is equal to 3 in y is equal to x square minus 7x plus 3. That is y is equal to x square means what? 3 square minus 7 into x means what? 3 plus 3. That is equal to 3 square is 9 minus 21 plus 3. 9 plus 3, it is 12. 12 minus 21 is equal to how much? Minus 9. Correct? Y is equal to minus 9. So point on the curve. Therefore, point on the curve is equal to what? X comma y. That is 3 comma minus 9. The point on the curve is what? 3 comma minus 9. Okay. find the point, find the point on the curve y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 15. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 15 at which the tangent is having inclination of 45 degree with positive x-axis. So they have given inclination of tangent theta. So with that we can find the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is what? Slope of tangent is what? It is tan theta, tan 45. That is equal to 1. Next, slope of tangent. Slope of tangent to the curve is what? Dy by dx. What is y? Y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 15. Differentiate this. 2x minus 9 into 1 plus 15. Constant 0. That is 2x minus 9. Okay. So slope of tangent is 1. Slope of tangent is dy by dx. They are one and the same. Right? Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 1. Correct? Dy by dx is equal to 1. What is dy by dx? 2x minus 9 is equal to 1, or 2x is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10, or x is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. X is equal to what? It is 5. Put x is equal to 5 in y. What is y? Y is equal to x square minus 9x plus 15. That is equal to 5 square minus 9 into 5 plus 15, or it is equal to 5 square is what? 25 plus 9 square, 45 plus 15. This is minus 25 plus 15 is what? It is 40 minus 45 is equal to minus 5. Now I got x value as 5, y value as minus 5. Correct? Therefore, point is equal to what? X comma y. What is x? X is equal to 5. And what is y? Y is equal to minus 5. Right? This is known as equation of tangent and equation of normal. They will give you some function. By differentiating it, we will get dy by dx. Using that, we can find the slope of tangent. Using slope of tangent, we can get the slope of normal. If I know slope of tangent, with that I can calculate equation of tangent and equation of normal with the given passing point. Right? Sometime they will give you such conditions to get the point on the curve. The curve will be given and the condition will be given. Right? So this is an important application, tangent and normal. The next class we will discuss the other applications, that is rate measure and the maxima and minima. So with this I am going to conclude my today's class. If you have any doubt, please ask the questions.